Well, she's getting more and more support, more and more national support. Kangana Ranaut stared the Uddhav government back, and she's getting support from across India. We've been getting a lot of messages, video messages, that is, a lot of missed calls to show support for Kangana Ranaut. S. Gurumurthy, while speaking to Ridhim Anand Bharadwaj on the Legal Eagle, also backed Kangana while questioning the Maharashtra government's action in this case.
Yes. In fact, I also want to, Mr. Gurumurthy, draw your attention to what's been happening in the Maharashtra government. There is clear panic when we see the Commissioner of Police, Parambir Singh, having just met Sharad Pawar, which clearly proves that Sharad Pawar has taken over the happenings in the Mumbai police and the Maharashtra government. Whether we see the actor Kangana Ranaut, she's being openly told dekh lenge by Maha Aghadi government. Then her property is demolished by the BMC. It's actually the High Court that intervenes and says this is malified action. At such a time, shouldn't the Maha Aghadi government take a proper stand for understanding what the citizens of the country need right now, that is respect and freedom of movement anywhere they want?
You see, it is probably the most foolish act any government could have done, that at this point in time they send some BMC forces to demolish or send notice to demolish a building. This is precisely what the Congress did in 1980. The moment they came to power, on a Sunday, they called for the files and passed orders for the demolition of the Indian Express building on the same ground that there was some excess construction. This produced the most powerful argument against a government which was sworn in just 3 months back. So what I am saying is, this kind of mad actions out of uncontrolled anger and hate, this is devoid of wisdom and devoid of judgment. And so when this kind of forces take over, it is only some honest officials, some good advisors who can thwart. I don't think Maharashtra government has left place for anyone. And that is why counsel has come from outside in this case in the form of Sharad Pawar. Of course, he is a politician with a great strategic mind, and sometimes many people even call him diabolical. But he knows what statement to make at what point to distance himself from the kind of foolish activity that the government has got into. But I still believe judiciary in this country will not allow such nonsense. So actually, what the Maharashtra government has done, I don't know much about Kangana. In fact, I don't know very much about the cine field. But they have made her a larger than life phenomenon and has enlarged her role so much today. In fact, she has grown into a very powerful personality, for which she must ultimately thank the Maharashtra government. Just as I would thank the people who turned me into a hero and a huge crusader at that time. If such action had not been taken against me, nothing would have happened. But when you react mindlessly, just as the government is doing now, just as the Indira Gandhi government did in 1980, just as the Rajiv Gandhi government did in 1987, this will be a boon to people who stand by truth.